Getting the roof pitch right for coastal homes is a total game changer because it affects everything from wind resistance to how your roof handles salt air and storms. So, here's the deal with picking the perfect roof pitch along the coast. Usually, a pitch between 6/12 and 8/12 works best since it balances wind pressure and rain runoff. You want to team up with a structural engineer to double-check those numbers because they can run the calculations to make sure your roof can stand up to crazy coastal winds. Don't forget about the overhang depth too. Too shallow and you risk water damage, but too deep and you might need extra braces or brackets to keep it stable. When picking materials, think about stuff that fights off salt corrosion and sun damage, like metal with special coatings or treated shingles. Installation matters a lot as well. Make sure your contractor uses proper fasteners like ring shank nails and checks for tight gaskets to keep water out. Maintenance is key. Regular checks for loose nails or worn-out seals can save you a headache later. And hey, don't just go for boring looks. There are plenty of roofing options that match local styles without sacrificing performance. Trust me, balancing all this means your roof won't just survive, but actually look good doing it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with coastal roof pitches is ignoring wind load calculations, which can lead to serious damage when storms hit. Fix this by getting a pro engineer's input early on. Another common issue is picking roofing materials that aren't salt resistant. This makes your roof corrode faster, so go for products specifically rated for coastal use. A third problem is skimping on overhang support, so if you have a big overhang, make sure you add braces or brackets as needed to keep things solid and safe. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about coastal roofs and all that jazz. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with folks who need reliable pros for big projects, making everyone's life easier.